Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow a friend to see your location on Snapchat using the latest update. If you want to stay connected and let someone know where you are in real time, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page where all your account settings and options are located. Next, scroll a little until you find the My Friends section and tap on it. Here, you'll see your full friends list. Take your time and find the specific friend you want to share your location with. Once you've found their name, tap on it to open your chat with that person. Inside the chat screen, look at the bottom where you'll see several icons. Find and tap on the location icon. This is where Snapchat lets you manage your location sharing settings. After tapping the location icon, you'll see the option that says Sharing My Location. Go ahead and tap on it. Snapchat will now give you options to control how long you want to share your location with this friend.